It's Scientific Sue here, and it's day 3 of National Science Week, and we are going to make a balancing toy. So the link is going to take you to my website where you can download the template, or you can just Google balancing toys and you're going to find lots of other templates. So the template we're going to use is for a dragon, and when you cut it out, actually, its balancing point is going to be about here. We need to shift its center of mass to its nose. And to do that, we are going to put added weights here. They could be coins, paper clips, plasticine. I've used, look, I've got a hidden 20p piece there. Look, whoa. So I have cut mine out. I have decorated it. The glue's still a little bit wet. Let's see if we can get it to balance on the nose. Oops. There we go. And da-da. Oh, I've got all those chocolates to have later on. And we have just then, I've just built a balancing acrobatic dragon. How beautiful is my dragon? Enjoy. I've got someone else that's acrobatic. I've got an acrobatic bear, and it's on a unicycle, but it's not going to cycle along the floor because he's not real. He's a toy. So we're going to have to use gravity to get him to move. But again, center of mass is high. So if I try to balance him, oh, I dropped him, gravity pulled him down. If I try to balance him on my hand, I can't. That center of mass pulls him either side of my hand. Whenever we see clowns or acrobats on a tightrope, so here's my rope, it's loose, I have to pull it tight, then you sometimes will see them using sticks, not short sticks, very long sticks. And hidden at the end are big, heavy weights. So just like we had those weights on the end of the hands of our clown on a bird and balancing it on that part, the nose, we're going to use it, hopefully, whoa, oh, there we go, to get our bear to balance on the string. Let's see if we can get this to work. Right, here we go. It's on the string, and here's balancing. If I lift the string up, it's going to move forwards and backwards and forwards again. Woo! Isn't this a fantastic toy? So this is Ernest, the balancing bear. Whee! Woo! Whee! Yuppa! Physics in action. Love it.